Good day everyone, this is Crypto Portfolio Project and my name is Dan. We have survived the banker ICO and now it is time to move to another big ICO project, SONM. This project aims at covering one of the biggest internet markets out there. And I hope you will enjoy my review and tell me what you think about this project. Let's start. Team mainly consists of Russian software developers who have vast experience in the cloud computation sphere. Sergey Ponomarev is the creator of SONM decentralized supercomputer architecture and SOSNA concept, as well as the lead developer of the SONM platform, a long-time Ethereum and blockchain developer. Anton Turin is a senior Yandex software engineer and one of the leading cocaine platform creators in the cloud department. Max Taldykin is an experienced smart contracts developer working on off-chain computations for Ethereum. There are more team members to this project and I certainly have to advise you to check them all out. Advisors include Max Kordek, Simon Guacameli, Jaron Lukashevich, Emmanuel Abedin, Jake Vartanyan, Sergey Sergeyenko, Alexander Rugaev. What is the idea? Decentralized worldwide computational power. They want to solve the problem of inefficiencies of cloud platforms. SONM is able to connect miners and customers with its decentralized network of computational power. The services which can be provided range from CGI rendering to scientific computations. SONM uses the fog grid computing. It's an architecture that uses one or more collaborative multitude of end-user clients or near-user edge devices to carry out a substantial amount of storage, rather than stored primarily in cloud data centers. Communication, rather than routed over the internet backbone. Control, configuration, measurement and management, rather than controlled primarily by network gateways, such as those in the LTE core network. The project will create a market for miners and customers. The SNM token will be used as a native currency of the platform. Anyone could connect to the SONM network and receive passive income for its computational power. As you know, later this year Ethereum will transition to hybrid version of proof of stake and proof of work. This is going to be the moment a lot of miners will leave Ethereum. And SONM wants to invite those miners to its platform. So don't mine Ethereum Classic, start mining inside SONM network. SONM's main target is to become an important player in the cloud market. The market right now stands at $200 billion. By 2020, this number will transform into $300 billion market. Big data, business analytics, IoT, AI are only a few spheres where SONM will be represented in. They want to be cheaper and more effective than competitors. By doing that, SONM wants to cover a substantial part of the market. And do not forget about competitors. Golem isn't sleeping. What about money? The profit generation comes from usage of SNM tokens by buyers of computational power and dividends to token holders. Profit generation comes from 0.5% fee on the hub's turnover funds. Fees can be changed by token holders through the DAO governance tool. Dividends to SONM token holders will be allocated as a percent from network fees. Hubs will transfer settlement commission to DAO wallet, which will distribute funds to investors. Actual usage of SNMs on the platform will also positively influence the price. SONM business plan presents us with two business scenarios. By the way, check their business document if you want more information about this. The first one is pessimistic. It forecasts that project needs at least 3.5 years to pay off initial investments through dividend mechanism. The other scenario is optimistic. In this case, the project needs 1.5 years to pay off initial investments of contributors through dividends. What are the technologies SONM used to build its network? Docker container is an isolated environment ensuring computing parallelism and appropriate apps running on any device. Ethereum smart contracts a consensus system ensuring transparency and security for the system's participants. Yandex Cocaine, which is an open source platform as a service technology and a decentralized computing platform. BT-Sync, a peer-to-peer system for fast and safe data transfer. Whisper, which is a peer-to-peer technology for node communication. Fog computing, a decentralized and more efficient computing model compared to cloud. SONM has a marketplace. It has miners who actually provide computational resources and buyers who are the main users of the computational power. The crowd sale terms. SONM will distribute a large % of its tokens to investors, making their crowd sale more favorable for participants. First of all, SNM is a ERC20 token on Ethereum blockchain. ICO starts on 15th of June and ends on 15th of July. Project will distribute 80% of its tokens to investors, 1% community grants, 9% SONM ecosystem fund, and 10% SONM team. They aim at collecting up to 40 million USD. Current rate of 1 ETH is 2,824 SNM tokens. The earliest investors will get the biggest bonus, 15%. Other investors will get bonuses depending on when they invested. SNM transfer will be restricted for 1 month after ICO due to the safety measures. Allocation of funds is mainly concentrated on marketing and promotion and research and development. Advantages and disadvantages. Team is a solid advantage. They are all experienced, professional and passionate about what they do. Working prototype, and recently they checked their product by running Quake. Check out their blog if you're interested. Value proposition is logical and well presented in their documents. They distribute a large percentage of tokens to investors. That is always healthy for the ICO. The first disadvantage is money. I do not think that they need $40 million to successfully implement their technology, but it is up to you to judge. Another thing is dividends. They openly state that it is dividends that will be distributed, but it will make SNM tokens a financial instrument, which is dangerous in terms of legal aspects. There is quite a list of projects which are going to do the same stuff, so competition is a real thing and must not be put out of the equation. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it thumbs down. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye until next time.